Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be learning alphabets in Bini. But before we start, please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So let's get started. As you can see on the screen, these are the alphabets in Bini language. However, if you look carefully, there are some letters missing, such as C, J, Q, and X. A, B, D, E, F, G, H, I, K, L, M, N, O, P, R, C, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. I hope you've learned something today. Please do not forget to like my videos and subscribe, and please do watch out for my next video. Thank you very much for all your support. Bye bye and God bless.